I don't think anybody else thinks that's funny. You're silly.
She's gonna close that on her finger.